So if you have a passion to work in a software field while working from home, so today's job opportunity is for you. So hi everyone, welcome back to Job for Freshers. So McAfee hire कर रहा है work from home के लिए. So watch the video till the end. So let's start with today's job date. So the company name is McAfee and they are hiring for the post of software development engineer, and the salary here you can expect is up to 10 lakh per annum. So both fresher and experienced candidate can easily apply for this application, and the job location is going to be completely work from home. So apply as soon as possible before application get closed. So let's see the job role and responsibilities. As a software development engineer, यहाँ पे आपको प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट टीम के साथ काम करना होगा, एंड यू हैव टू इंश्योर कि जो सॉफ्टवेयर की क्वालिटी है एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट हो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू विल ऑल्सो बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर automating the functional and non-functional tests to reduce the test duration. So who can apply for this application? If you have a bachelor's degree or master's degree from any stream, then you guys can easily apply for this application. And the skill requirement is you should have a good understanding in Python, C++ and the data structure. And the other requirement is जो हर कंपनी की requirement रहती है वो है आपका good communication skill. Okay, so let's see how you can apply. So here you will see how to apply for McAfee. Just scroll down and click here to apply. So I will put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you guys can easily apply. And if you haven't applied for the Accenture yet, so go and apply now. The link is in the description. So let's see how you can fill out this application form. So just click here to apply. So you will be redirected to the official page. Here you can see career.mcafee.com, and now here just click on apply now. So the application form will appear. Okay, now here you can directly upload your resume and most of the basic detail will automatically get filled, like your name, or you can fill out this application form manually. So from here you can select how did you hear about us. From here select social media, Instagram or YouTube you can say. Okay, source Instagram, country India, and write your name, your family name. So these are not mandatory, so you can leave as it is. And in the email address, just type your email address. Here write your phone number. So here select the phone device type, your mobile, and write here, and in the phone number just write your phone number. Just click on next. So in my experience, you can leave work experience as it is. In the education, just add your education details like your high school, graduation and post graduation. And in the language, you can add the language whichever you know, and the attachment. And once you're done with that, just click on next. So after this you will get some questions, so you can answer it as per your convenient, like are you at least 18 years. From here select yes, and once you're done with that, click on next. So in the voluntary disclosure, यहाँ पे से अपना gender select कर लेना and just check this mark, yes I have read, and click on next. So the last one is the review section. Here you have to review whether all the information provided by you is correct or not. If you find any mistake, just go back and correct it, and once you're done with that, just click on submit application. So once you submit the application form, you will receive the confirmation mail from the company, and please note that you will receive the further mail only if your resume gets shortlisted. So make sure your resume should align with the job requirement. So whatever they have mentioned in the skills, you should add those skills in your resume so that there will be a chances of your resume to get shortlisted. So if you find any difficulties in filling out this application form, or if you had any other question, do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.